111th out of 125 countries in the global hunger index. These people sitting here in the treasury bench needs to know. So they betrayed the marginalized communities. They spoke about Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, which turned into Jo Hamare Saath, Hum Unke Saath, as admitted by BJP MLA and the leader of opposition in Bengal Assembly, and proved right by the failed finance minister of this failed government yesterday. It's a crime against scheduled caste and scheduled tribes increased by 13% and 14% respectively from 2021 to 2023. Uttar Pradesh, they speak about double engine government. They're trying to defend Bengal. But let me give you a data which was given by the Social Empowerment Justice Ministry last year, which was given by the minister himself in Rajya Sabha in June 2023, which proves that Uttar Pradesh have the highest number of cases of atrocities against Dalit, yes, followed by Rajasthan. Sir, who is in power in Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan? Can these two who are shouting at the top of their voices answer? Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? After the Mangal Sutra and Mujra, sir, after the Mangal Sutra and Murja vilification episode, the government of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, in their infinite wisdom, have mandated that eateries, along with the Kawar Jatra route, display the name of owners and staff members. A move clearly intended to instigate hate speeches and hate crimes targeting the minority community. We commend and thank the Honorable Supreme Court for swiftly intervening with a stay order against all these discriminatory directives. Sir, vacancies in tribal schools, 10,000 vacancies still lying left in Eklavya school, residential school, remains unfilled as of today. Sir, religious representation. Sir, religion belongs to an individual, whereas a festival is for everyone. Like the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal has said, Dharmo jar jar, Utsav shobar. BJP doesn't have a single Muslim MP. Sir, listen to this. The whole country needs to know. That BJP doesn't have a single Muslim MP in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, or any state assembly. Diversity isn't about the colors in our flag. It's about the people in our parliament. So the absence of diversity in parliament has tangible consequences in the past. It led to policies that overlooked the needs of marginalized communities, legislation that failed to address systematic injustices, and a governance structure that perpetuated inequality rather than fostering unity. The marginalized across the country have spoken with a strong voice, this time and unequivocally rejected a government that has betrayed their aspiration and rights. So now I come to you. Budget ka B pe bola betrayal, ab U pe aata hu. Sir, U stand for unemployment. Unemployment rate in our country rose to an 8-month high of 9.2% in June 2024. Sir, youth unemployment, Modi ji ki तीसरी बार युवक अभी भी बेरोजगार. Sir, when we speak about youth unemployment, sir, look what unemployment has done to this country. This is the perfect example. Sir, they've gone mad. This is what unemployment has done, sir. Sir, Modi ji की तीसरी बार युवक अभी भी बेरोजगार.
एक मिनट, आप जैसे सुन के आए हैं, ऐसे भी ये लोग भी सुन के आए हैं. तो रेस्पेक्ट ईच अदर. तो आप थोड़ा सा इस भाषा का देखो. प्लीज, बैठिए।
मोदी जी की तीसरी बार,
आप लोग बैठिए। अभिषेक जी प्लीज कंटिन्यू। आप
मोदी जी की तीसरी बार युवक अभी भी बेरोजगार। Sir, among graduates, it was 13% in 22-23. Among postgraduates and above, it was 12.1% in 22-23. The Skill India mission aimed to train 400 million people by 2022, but only 14 million received training by 2024. The target still remains a distant dream. The Honorable Finance Minister announced 2 lakh crore package for 5 schemes on job and skilling of 4 crore 10 lakh youth. BJP had previously promised 2 crore jobs a year. They are nowhere close to meeting the target, and now they are setting unrealistic targets. These young people don't want to listen to budget speeches. The young people of this country, the young India, doesn't want to listen to your rhetoric, doesn't want to listen to your empty promises, doesn't want to listen to your 90-minute long budget speeches. They want jobs, J-O-B-S. So women unemployment rate for women living in urban India soared to 22.7%. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. But they forgot to mention about Beti ko Naukri Dilao. On the other hand, you see what's happening in Bengal. Kanyashri scholarship scheme touched the lives of 85 lakh girls and won the UN Public Service Award. Sir, this award was not handed over by any Tom, Dick or Harry. It won the UN Public Service Award. Over 2 crore 20 lakh women have been financially empowered through schemes like Lakhir Bhandar, financial assistance of 12,000 annually for general category and 14,400 for SC/ST women. Many other states are also rolling out similar schemes. So make it a national model. I'll appeal to the Honorable Finance Minister. I humbly urge the government to set aside arrogance and embrace willingness to learn from successful practices, integrating them into our approach. Sir, only 3 states in the country have enterprises where women own more than 3 out of 10 establishments. And these 3 states are Telangana, West Bengal, and Karnataka. It's not coincidental, sir, that all 3 states are governed by non-BJP political parties. And I have no qualms or hesitation in saying that BJP and women empowerment simply don't align and is rather paradoxical. So now I come to D, deprive, like the honorable member has deprived his wife. Yes. So D for deprive. Yes. You spent 20,000 crore on revamping Central Vista. You did this. You did this to improve the homes of the rich.
Please listen.
Influential.
Please.
And powerful.
Please.
What have you done for the homeless?
Please.
In the cities, in the towns, in the villages.
प्लीज सुनिए। जो इस सदन का एक मिनट, जो इस सदन का मेंबर नहीं है, आप इनका बारे में बोल नहीं सकता। प्लीज ये रिकॉर्ड से निकाल दिया जाएगा। ये रिकॉर्ड से निकाल दिया जाएगा। जो इस सदन का मेंबर नहीं है, यू प्लीज डोंट मेंशन, प्लीज दादा प्लीज गो बैक प्लीज आपको प्लीज सौमित्र खान जी प्लीज गो टू योर सीट प्लीज दादा प्लीज सौमित्र खान जी प्लीज आप लोग भी बैठे हम आसान से खड़ा हो गया। आप ठीक है सर, ये उतार दीजिए प्लीज सौमित्र खान जी।
चलिए मानिए प्लीज कल्याण जी प्लीज आपके सदस्य बोल रहे हैं, आपके सदस्य बोल रहे हैं, प्लीज।
एक चीज सर, मैं एक चीज स्पष्ट कर देता हूँ सर। चेयरमैन सर ने बोला जो इस सदन की मेंबर नहीं है,
एक मिनट,
सदस्य नहीं है।
एक मिनट, एक मिनट
सर एक बार सुन
हाँ,
लीजिए।
एक मिनट प्लीज, माननीय सदस्य आप भी बैठ जाए, एक मिनट। माननीय सदस्यगण, हमें ये प्रयास करना चाहिए कि जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं हो उसके बारे में टिप्पणी नहीं करें, सभी लोग इसकी पालन करने का प्रयास करें।
सर मैं एक
प्लीज प्लीज बोल दिया ना सबको, बोल दिया।
सर
नो नो, आप हम लोग तो बोलते हैं, बीजेपी लोग जब करते हैं आप लोग कुछ नहीं बोलते। क्यों नहीं?
एक मिनट,
क्यों नहीं?
एक-
Why discrimination?
आप उनको नहीं बोलने देना चाहते, आप उनको डिस्टरबेंस कर रहे हैं, प्लीज। अभिषेक जी एक मिनट, एक मिनट, अभिषेक जी एक मिनट। मैंने सभी माननीय सदस्यों को, आप डायरेक्शन देंगे क्या मुझे? नो, प्लीज बैठिए, प्लीज। माननीय, ऐसे मत कीजिए प्लीज, ऐसे माननीय सदस्य मेरे मत थपाइए। जब आपको बोल दिया बैठना है तो बैठना है। अभिषेक जी
मैं एक चीज से स्पष्ट करता हूँ